A TV stand is an easy opportunity to add a few practical elements to your living room, often comprising of storage space for games consoles, as well as cable holes where you can hide wires to keep things looking as put together as possible. The fifth product on our list is the Ameriwood Home Farmington Electric Fireplace TV console. This is priced at about $230. Bring the outdoors in with the rustic look of the Ameriwood Home Farmington Electric Fireplace TV console, for TVs up to 50 inches wide, or 55 pounds. Made of laminated MDF and particle board, the weathered medium brown finish adds a rustic appeal to your living room, or entertainment space. The 23 inches electric fireplace insert can be used with or without heat, and plugs into a standard 120 volts outlet. Control the various flame and heat settings with the remote control or touch panel. Open top shelf, and two side cabinets with additional shelving provide plenty of storage for your video and audio components, along with your DVD and game collection. Behind each door are adjustable and fixed shelves to customize your storage space. The TV console ships flat to your door, and 2 adults are recommended to assemble it. The open shelf can hold up to 30 pounds, and each shelf behind the doors holds 15 pounds. Assembled dimensions: 29 inches in height, 47 inches in width, and 15.7 inches deep. Number 4. FITUEYES Design Universal Modern TV Stand. It costs around $130. Unlike most industrial-style TV stand base, this Eiffel series TV stands both ensure stability and home decor, inspired by the Eiffel Tower with the most scientific and beautiful structure, express a modern urban life with a romantic lifestyle. This modern tabletop TV stand has a special own design. The trapezoidal design makes the whole structure more stable and sturdier than others, and the thick wooden base provides superior balance and support. Therefore, it can securely hold 110 pounds. FITUEYES TV stand base comes with clear installation instructions and necessary accessories for a quick and easy assembly of about 15 minutes. Fits most 55 to 86 inches OLED, LCD, and LED TVs. Please make sure the visa of your TV meets between 100 by 100 and 600 by 400 millimeters. 4 different heights of the bracket can be adjusted from 836 to 1043 millimeters, meeting your different height requirements. It is also a swivel TV stand mount that swivels 20 degrees right or left to get you a comfortable viewing sight. The TV tabletop stand with a mount has a channel in the column and comes with 2 shrink bands. It can collect messy cables and allow everything looks wonderful. The black frame and golden walnut base match your TV cabinet perfectly. The third product on this top is the FITUEYES 3-tier floor TV stand. It is priced at around $150. FITUEYES' new floor TV stands combine traditional media stand with TV mount perfectly. Golden walnut board with sturdy metal frame makes modern looks, and adjustable feet pads to keep stability on uneven ground. Make your living room more modern charm. This floor TV console stand for large TVs features 3 levels of height to meet different height requirements, capacity max of 77 pounds. You could set the bracket to the appropriate height per your needs while installing and get comfortable viewing sight. There's no need to drill your beautiful wall. FITUEYES walnut particle board storage shelf can accommodate DVD storage, receiver, PS4, PS5, Xbox, Switch, sound bar, and so on. The cable management helps you keep wires neat and organized at the back of the pole. To meet your different storage needs, the middle and side wooden shelf has 3 adjustable heights and also can be removed. This swivel floor stand is easy to install. It comes with an easy-to-follow manual that guides you through the installation process, and the necessary tools and hardware is also included for convenient stand setup. The second product on our list is the 5-Arcom Swivel Corner Floor TV Stand. You can get it at a reasonable price of $140. This large glass TV stand with a mount is suitable for up to 75 inches TVs flat or curved screens, like Samsung, Sony, LG, and so on. Compatible with multiple VISA patterns 100 by 100, up to 600 by 400. The 75-inch TV stand mount is strong, and the shape of the shelves is perfect to put it against a straight wall or in a corner of a room. The minimalistic design of the TV stand and fancy glossy aluminum tube fits in place with modern decor and furniture, very modern looking. The 75-inch corner TV stand is phenomenal at the range of different size TVs that can hook to it, and it adds a unique ability to swivel 45 degrees in each direction, towards the viewing area by pivoting the unit and neat and drill your beautiful wall. The 75-inch TV floor stand is made of black tempered glass and a metal frame, easy cleaning. 3-tier shelf-suitable DVD players, for storage of soundbar, TiVo, cable box, DVD players, PlayStation, Xbox, DVRs, HD recorders, game consoles, AV components, or other media. It has 3 steps height adjustable from 47 inches to 52 inches. The large TV mount stand has cable management clips, so the TV power cables can be easily hidden from sight if that's a big concern for you. This television stand was easy to assemble with an easy-to-follow manual and relative parts like screws and mount your TV on. And finally, the first product here on our list is the mounted floor TV stand, with mount and tempered glass shelves. It is priced at around $140. Universal fit. This glass TV stand and the mount will fit a variety of brands and models. Check the Visa bolt hole pattern on the back of the screen, to be sure that it is compatible with this mount. The screen sits at a comfortable height on this flat screen mount, and entertainment center. 30 degrees of left and right swivel, ensures the TV can be viewed from any location. Get the wall-mounted look with added storage. This glass TV stand with mount, features 2 shelves where you can store equipment, such as a cable box or your gaming system. Durable materials. Enjoy this glass entertainment center and mount, for years to come. The sturdy tempered glass will easily support your equipment. This combo features 2 beautiful black silk tempered glass shelves with spacious shelving for all of your surround sound system components, Blu-ray player, and game console needs. If you are going for a contemporary look, this flat panel TV console will do the trick, and it will keep your living space looking clean and clutter-free.